In DVT, you can quickly add a breakpoint by double-clicking on the editor vertical bar. Execution is suspended whenever it reaches the corresponding line of code, for example during the UVM Runtime Elaboration, allowing you to perform further interactive debugging. Sometimes it is helpful to suspend execution only when a specific condition is met. Right-click on the breakpoint and select Breakpoint Properties from the context menu. Check the conditional box and fill the expression in the text box. You can type any expression that evaluates the true or false according to the System Verilog LRM semantics. Content Assist is available. Just press Ctrl+ to see the proposals. In the expression, you can use any variable or function visible at this point in code. Press Apply and Close when done, and click the Resume toolbar button to continue execution. Notice that execution now suspends only when the breakpoint condition is true. Conditional breakpoints can also be configured from the Breakpoints view. Let's select the previously created breakpoint and change its condition and suspend policy. By default, execution is suspended every time the breakpoint is reached and the condition evaluates true. Alternatively, you can choose to suspend when the breakpoint is reached and the value of the expression changes. Press Ctrl+S to save the changes and click on Resume to continue execution.